What is happening, peoples? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars and here I am at Merthyr skate park. It's a miserable old day, but I'm going to try and get a painting done on what's called the Bowls Club, which is located at the back end of the skate park. It's been vandalised quite a lot, so yeah, I'm going to get a sketch done now and hopefully we can get it painted today. Forecast said it's supposed to be dry, but it's raining. It's raining. You're in Merthyr. This is called Taff Trail. So it's a trail that goes all the way to, I think it's like Brecon, near enough, all the way down to Cardiff. And this is the Bowls Club here then in Merthyr. As you can see, it's quite a long wall, but I'm not going to be painting it all. But I'm going to try and get quite a bit of it done anyway. Well, not quite a bit, a small section. So this is the vandalism that we've got so far, and I'm going to be painting this corner section here. I'm hopefully going to cover the door, and I'm going to cover this side. So this side here I'm going to be putting like one of my faces that I do. I'll show you a sketch of that by here, and down this side I'm going to be doing some positive words, which I'm going to put a sketch of it here. So yeah, I'm gonna just get out some black paint now and get it painted. So hopefully I don't get soaked. Whew. Got everything black. Got all that side black. I started running low on paint, so I had to leave that last bit. But I'm just about to mark out where the face is. So the face is going on first. I'm going to do all the squiggly lines and stuff like that, so it doesn't really make sense. And I'm going to do some more squiggly lines on this side. So we're going to start that now. Right, so before we start anything, we need to shake our cans really well. So let's give it a shake. Just get started now, should we? Stop for a bit now because it's coming down with rain, so I'm gonna chuck the camera in. But got a good foundation in. Obviously now you can see where her lips are, her eyeballs and her nose and stuff, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna pack up now and get out of this rain for about a couple of minutes. Hopefully it'll pass. Tell a lie, done an ingenious idea. I've got my van and I'm gonna use the side door, open it up, put the camera on a tripod there, and I can still record, can't I? Yeah. Just about to add a bit of black in now, so it's really gonna pop. I've added in her like turtleneck here, and then her shoulder, and last but not least, then I've got to do her hair. So I can get my arm to go up and over like this because it's kind of hard. But yeah, gonna add in the black, and we should really see it pop. Right, so if this doesn't make sense, it's because this is day 2. I had to do some graffiti workshop thing with youth offending service and things like that, so we had 40 kids turn up, which was a bit surprising really. We was expecting nobody to turn up. Good day. It's a long hard slog, and we got it done. But I'm just about to finish this off now, so I'm here. So as you can see, I've added some oranges in and reds in. So I am gonna get this all wrapped up now, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. Right guys, got it all finished now. If you like this kind of stuff, leave a like and subscribe. Really much appreciate it, like if you do. And I got a lot more videos coming now. Unfortunately with this one, I didn't get everything finished, but hopefully now I'm going to come back and get the other side of the wall done. But as for the face, I've completed it. I've had to come back, touch up a little bit, finish a little bits off in the hair, but this is it. Hope you enjoy.